We got this big horn, massive Ram. And guess what we're putting on it? Borla ATAK. There it is. Jared doing what he does best. Then we're gonna take a resonator off and put this tip on it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2024 Ram 2500, 6.4 liter of raw HEMI power. Beautifully finished in red and black. I like that. Clean. Anyways, let me show you guys what we're doing. I don't know what this is. Just a heat shield, I guess. Cat is right there. Secondary cat is there. The second cat on the other bank that comes from here to there. Why is it just single? 3.5-inch pipe. Then what we did is put a Borla ATAK muffler on it. Here's the part number 400844. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we had to add 3-inch pipe. Then 3.5-inch continues out the back. And we deleted the rear resonator, added 3-inch pipe in its place, and finished it off nicely with a dual black tip for your viewing pleasure. Came out really clean, really nice. Dual black chrome tip. And then there's the muffler that was on it right there. There's the resonator that was on it right there. And the regular tip. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe for us. All right, go ahead. Here we go. Moment of truth. Look at his face. Father, son. Perfect combo. Perfect? That's what you wanted, right? Borla ATAK never, ever disappoints. Here's sound decibels. Right at 87. Just wait till you hear the first rev. It's just startup. I'm letting the oil build up and everything. Go ahead and rev it. Nice. It's only 115. Perfect. Oh man, that's crazy. Again? Well, it peaked at 118. We might have to put that resonator back on. Well, Mom don't know more. Yeah. Dude, that is perfect though. The sound is amazing. One more. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. It's at 118, guys. The sound decibels is 118 on this sucker at peak. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. And we are right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. It's raining today. So we still record even in the rain. We don't mind. We'll record for you guys. Yeah. That sounds clean. Let it idle. You see, once it warmed up, see how much quieter it got? That was the initial cold start. Yeah, this is bearable. So when you wake up in the morning, it's not crazy, you know? And if it is, let them enjoy. Oh, he loves it. All right, go ahead one more time. Yeah, it's gone down a lot once it warmed up. Let you guys hear on the inside. Borla ATAK on a Ram 2500 for your viewing pleasure, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts. She sounds mean. Just wait till she takes off. Watch. Oh, that's clean. Sorry for the rain, guys, but we still got you a video, so it doesn't matter. And if you guys don't know, that's where we're at. Hit us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and Facebook. I need to add Facebook on the site somewhere. But it's all at Exhaust Addicts, guys. So Like, hit, comment, all that good stuff. See ya.